So I had a wedding a few months ago when I heard about Tomy from a few friends. So I wanted to do hair extensions, so I came in and they were amazing. They talked me through it. They gave me this amazing hair. Everybody was complimenting me at the wedding, so I was hooked and I have come back ever since. Tomy is extremely real. He tells it like it is. I don't feel like he pressures me to do anything that I don't want to. I feel that he's very honest. His products are amazing, and my hair really has never looked better. So I'm really appreciative of his time and his staff.